Today we're going to be recreating a Instagram look, and it is Beetlejuice inspired, so keep on watching! This is the liner look we will be going for. So we'll be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation and a Morphe blender and blend that all around the face. So we will be using the flat edge of the blender to create a guideline for our liner later, so just make note of that when you're blending your foundation. So here I added Maybelline Fit Me concealer for the under eyes and just blending that out. And I use my Kat Von D translucent powder to bake the under eyes. So as I went along, I kind of got frustrated with felt liners because they kind of dry out fast. So once I got the idea, I just went in with a NYX liquid liner. Okay, before we move on, we did finish the liner in the next clip, so as I go along towards the end, I just kind of make the rectangles a bit shorter and then continue till I reach the end of the wing. So here we're using a Morphe bronzer contour brush, and then we're taking in the root canal shadow that we had in our eyes and using that as a blush. Ooh! Next, we're going in with a Jeffree Star Skin Frost shade for highlight. This one is discontinued because it's a Manny MUA and Jeffree collab, so you can't get this shade Crystal Ball, but just a silvery light gold shade would work too. And now we're coating our bottom lashes with some mascara. Now we're going into a Jeffree Star liquid lip in shade Deceased. This is like my fave matte lip formula, even though my lips are kind of crusty. Anyways. Okay, so this is the Beetlejuice eye look. I copied a girl on Instagram for the cut crease. This was really my first time trying a cut crease. Also, I dyed my hair more purple, more of a purple blue undertone this time. So yeah, I also used, I think I showed you guys the blush, was actually the same shade up here that I used from the Blood Sugar palette. And these lashes are actually amazing for looks. Like, if you see that, it's hard. It would be really hard to wear them out, but if I got used to it, I mean, I'm gonna wear them out on Halloween. So this was the look. Let me know if you guys like this different kind of tutorial that's more fast-paced, and then you just get the look at the end. But yeah, I'll link the products below, and see you in the next one.